My lord, second submission is, so this was for party certificates. Second submission,
Your first
my lord,
submission, if I just want what
Sir,
I've taken away
sir,
from it,
sir.
you saying that the certificates themselves were defective because
They're
they
void
could not,
ab
there was
initio.
no chairman because of the decision of 22nd.
That's right, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, and they're void. They're void.
They're
basically,
void.
because they have no sanctity in law. They're not backed by any validly authorized person.
Okay.
Second submission, my lord, is, and for this I can refer to the Hamid Raza book, as it were, जो मैंने आपको दी थी. उसमें एक ticket भी लगा हुआ है, which is of the 13th. Here, my lord, my submission is that as far as Mr. Hamid Raza is concerned, the chairman. I need not refer to it right now, my lord.
Is it good, glad that you come to this, because I was about to ask you कि exactly इनका भी जरा से एक दफा factually बता देते कि what were the documents he had filed.
ठीक है जी. तो पहले, my lord, मैं submission अपना दे दूंगा.
जी देते.
My lord, my submission here is that Mr. Hamid Raza is admittedly is and was the chairman of the appellate number 1. He is appellate number 2 in civil appeals. The appellate number 2, my lord, being chairman, was fully able and had this option available to have issued a party affiliation certificate to himself, and upon issuing this, to have contested election as a candidate of SIC. Had this been done, and had he been returned, as he has been as an independent, then, my lord, the requirements that I have humbly submitted before this honorable august bench, in terms of formulation 1, that there needs to be a... So, my lord,
So इसी में अगर while you're at it,
I'll come to the document.
I don't want to dislodge your way of thinking, but just if you could refer to the documents once again, just a recap.
I'll take my
What was his nomination? What was the certificate?
बिल्कुल. मैं पहले सर अपना वो लिखवा दूं. Most grateful. So, my lord, here basically what I'm saying is that Mr. Hamid Raza would have issued the ticket to himself, being chairman, and if he had contested as SIC and was returned, then the requirement of, in my formulation 1, of SIC having at least one directly elected general seat member would have been met. But this was, for reasons best known to him, not done. My lord, third formulation is
इसका
that,
facts
sorry, sir.
I'm sorry to dislodge you.
नहीं, sir,
We just want, because
I'm just going to write,
a recap कि इसके documents दो क्या
absolutely,
थे
sir,
बस.
absolutely.
There are two things to a nomination.
मेरे ज़हन में एक चीज़ आई है which I missed, so I'm just noting it down. Just remind me of it. My lord, आ जाते हैं. So, my lord, first of all, I'm going to Mr. Hamid Raza's paper book. Mr. Hamid Raza files nomination papers on 22/12/23.
Right.
In his declaration on oath of nominated person candidate in the nomination form states, Mera Taluk Sunni Ittihad Council, Alliance PTA in bracket se hai.
This is tab.
This is tab B, my lord.
ठीक हो.
This is on the 22nd of December, sir. Then his nomination papers are accepted, which is tab C. And then, my lord, on the 13th of January, the party affiliation certificate of PTI is submitted by the gentleman.
That's the only certificate submitted.
That is, but there is a contradiction then in tab E, because both these documents, my lord, इसमें सामने डेट नहीं आ रही, but I think ऊपर से हम देख सकते हैं कि ये भी 13/1 का है stamp paper. So his party affiliation, these two things go in hand according to my submission. So, my lord, his party affiliation certificate is of the 13th of January, but his section 66 declaration, which is on the next page.
इसका टैब सी देखें आप, इसमें तो एक्सेप्ट हो गए. रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर ने 30 दिसंबर 23 को इनके जो नॉमिनेशन पेपर हैं साहबजादा साहब के, ये एक्सेप्ट कर लिए.
बिल्कुल कर लिए सर, बिल्कुल.
30/12 को.
Yes, my lord. जी. my lord.
ये डिक्लेरेशन में उन्होंने फिर पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ नजरियाती लिखा है,
That's right, sir.
स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन।
So, for my
वो है किसका, नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म है किसके?
my lord, nomination form, this is a difficult question to answer because there are three positions. Nomination form says SIC in alliance with PTI, but as I submitted, there was no legally, and I don't think it's the case that there was an alliance, the case put up. Then the party affiliation certificate is of PTI.
So the nomination papers were accepted on the strength of that alliance?
Yes,
Because
my
उसमें
lord.
फॉर्म में initially there was no ticket affiliation.
That's right, Chief.
So whatever the candidate mentioned, the nomination papers were accepted.
Absolutely,
And
my
when
lord.
the declaration was filed at the time of submitting the affiliation certificate,
That's right,
the
sir.
declaration says Pakistan Nazariyati, not PTI.
No, it doesn't. And the
What is the effect of this declaration?
Because, adding to that, I think,
My lord, this is a
67
contradiction. There's
Sure,
a massive
We
contradiction.
want to push you in that direction. We understand it probably requires some interpretation of 67.
That's right.
That we'll take care of. But the question is that the certificate, as far as his story is concerned, the certificate of the party is of PTI.
That's right.
That's clear.
But the statement, then I will,
I'd be
the
different.
statement on oath, the affidavit, in terms of the most sacred document or the one which is, if I had to choose out of
But
these,
in any case, your case, if I understood it correctly,
it changes further.
no, that if you come back to tab D,
Ji, sir.
which is the PTI certificate,
Ji.
dated 13/1/2024,
Ji.
and signed by Barrister Ghor Ali Khan.
That's right, sir.
You say this is void ab initio anyway.
In any event. Bilkul, my lord has. So, my lord,
Mr. Skandar, before declaring I'm here.
I'm sorry.
Before declaring him as an independent candidate, did you seek his explanation about his party status?
Sir,
Or you declared him independent of your own?
my lord, I didn't declare him of my own. What I submit, my lord, I'll answer ji. May I refer to, so in response to my lord's query, what I would say is that I acted on his application, which is at tab F. And I can get, again, my lord, I'm sorry, my Urdu is not the most fluent. I can get Arshad Saab to read this. But my submission, my lord, is, and it's for my lord's interpretation, of course, is that I received an application from him saying, please now convert me into a independent and issue me a symbol, which he asked for was shuttlecock. That was in the symbols for the pool for independents, but that was taken, so he was allotted
I
tower.
ask you shuttlecock because the symbol of Nazariyati was what?
Symbol of Naziati was batsman, my
Batsman.
lord. Ji. Independent. My lord, have I answered my lord's query? Ji? Grateful, my lord.
And in the statutory declaration, it is further stated, which we have read so many times, that the affiliation certificate is attached here